The Pinatubo Aita is one of the indigenous peoples in the Philippines. Since prehistoric times, they have lived off the vast resources of Mount Pinatubo, which lies in the provinces of Pampanga and Zambales. In the early 20th century, the Aita lands were declared as a reservation area. They had abundant land for their crops.
Maski saan kami na pumupunta doon sa dulo ng kabundukan na magpagawa ng bahay o magtanim ng na plotas, libre kami, wala nang mag-ari na ito nang papilis na itong lupa, umaalis kayo, wala.
Nandun kami sa lugar namin hindi naman mahihirapan yung naghahanap ng pagkain.
Ito yung panahon na namin, yung lahat ng panahon namin, talaga nakakasapat. May palay kami. Hindi namin problema yung ganito. Wala. At nasa amin yung lahat ng kailangan na namin pagkain.
In June 1991, Mount Pinatubo erupted. It was one of the biggest volcanic eruptions in this century.
Para nang umulan na yung may para nang apoy na lumiliyab sa na maglakad kami yung asphalt. Yun ang sa tao na maglakad. Kabang naglalakad kami, nakasabit yung sa kamay yung kaldero, saka yung nakasabit yung anak sa katawan, saka yung mga pamilya ko naman, hindi ko nang alam anong pinupuntahan nila. Nagsisiwalay kami na hanggat makaabot kami na doon sa bayan, sa Olongapo.
Ay, nako. Doon na walang tulugan hanggang magdamag. Yung isang bata ko na namatay ng gutom na walang nakasaing pagkain namin.
The eruption destroyed the Aita's way of life. It destroyed their homes, their sources of food and livelihood, their loved ones.
Pagbalik namin yung wala nang Pinatubo, nagbalik kami sa lugar namin, hindi nang makita yung bahay. Yung nanay namin hindi na makita, kapatid ko isang lalaki hindi na makita. Kasi yung makapal na naman yung buhangin. Isang dosina yung anak ng kapatid kong lalaki. Naubos yung namatay.
Manuel Lipunan lost a son and uncle during the eruption. 5 years later, he returns to his former lands.
Puro bukiran ito noon. Tignan mo, wala nang kabukuan dyan. Nakuha ng puro bahangin na, wala nang makitang bahay. Nung di pa nakuha ng bulkan, masayang taong kuwan dito noon. Kasi maraming pagkabuhayan na nandito noon. Ngayon wala na. Puro buhangin na.
Manuel Lipunan, together with 23 other Aita families, now live in the Aita resettlement in Santa Martha, Pangulingan, Zambales. After enduring the hardships of living in various evacuation areas after the volcano's eruption, they have finally found a home. Infrastructure and strategies with the help of PDI staff. The women also have their own organization. They are in charge of maintaining health and sanitation in the community. One of their projects is a herbal garden. Through this garden, they hope to produce indigenous dry season. A place with abundant resources that can nurture the people living